If you are planning to buy a hair topper online based on reviews, please go ahead and watch this video first. Most hair topper reviews are absolutely useless, not because they are lying. Most people, when they start reviewing something, they talk about their individual circumstances. They may talk about it fits so perfectly, it looks natural, the hair quality is great, the color is perfect. What they aren't actually telling you is if it's going to work for you. Your individual needs going to completely vary based on the person who reviews that product. Buying a hair topper is not like buying a purse. It is more like prescription glasses. If you even had an identical twin, your identical twin going to have completely different prescription glasses than yours, even though they can have the same DNA, same face, same look, and everything. When I get to recommend a topper for a client or any kind of a solution, there are many factors that I consider, such as their natural hair, where they're thinning, do they need coverage in the front, back, all over here, do they want length? What is their texture? What is their hair going to look like in humidity? A level of activity. There are many factors that I consider before I choose a hair topper for someone. Two people can come to me with very similar even hair loss pattern, but more likely I'm not going to recommend the same type of topper for them. I keep about 40 or 50 different toppers at the salon, and they are from probably 10 or 15 different manufacturers, because I haven't yet found a company that I can say it's going to solve everybody's problem. And a lot of times I end up having to custom order something for a guest and specifically solve their problem. That is why consultation is the most important part of this solution. And that is even more important if you are price conscious and you are worried about what you're going to spend. A consultation can solve a lot of your problem, but at least giving you a direction and help you spend the money you need to, not to spend the money that you not going to have much use for that. We are located in North Dallas. We have a salon there and we do offer a consultation there 2 days a week. We spend a full hour doing a full analysis on your scalp and the hair condition and try on several pieces. If you're able to travel to the salon, that is great, and we cannot wait to meet you. To do a virtual consultation, we have a form online and you can get started there. I would hope this was helpful for you, and if we can help you, we can't wait to see you. And if you just need a guide, just comment the word guide, topper, help, whatever you need below. We will send you a guide to help you finish and get in line with the process. We are located in North Dallas. If you are in DFW Metroplex or you can travel here, we can't wait to meet you. Fill out our pre-consult form and request a consultation. Or if you are not able to travel, fill out a virtual consultation form and we can help you at least give you a direction what to do, and hopefully it would be a lot more clear and you're not going to make those costly mistakes. Or just comment the word topper below and we will send you our guide. Until next video, ciao.